Hey guys, welcome back to My Tech Learner. Today I am going to show you how to use the SHT40 temperature and humidity sensors with the Arduino Uno board. But this is not just any basic sensor tutorial. Let's be real. Climate change is getting serious. Every year summer feels hotter, humidity is unbreathable, and even inside our homes you can feel the difference, right? So in this video, let's build something useful, a simple but smart environment monitoring system using Arduino and this accurate SHT40 sensor. Let me ask you, how do you know your room, office or warehouse has the right conditions? You don't. Most of us just rely on how it feels. But precision matters, especially for farmers, labs, server rooms, or even if you are just building a smart home setup. This small prop can help monitor the environment and alert you before things get too hot, too humid, or just plain uncomfortable. So this is the 7 SHT40 prop, pretty sleek, comes with 4 wires and a nice shield enclosure. It uses Sensirion SHT40 chip, which is one of the more accurate sensors out there for humidity and temperature. It works on I2C, which means you only need 4 connections, and it runs on both 3.3 volt and a 5 volt, perfect for Arduino board, ESP32 board and other microcontroller boards. Alright, wiring this setup is super simple. I am using an Arduino Uno board, Arduino Uno R4 board. Red wire connect to the 5 volt, black wire connect to the ground, green wire connected to the SDA pin or a F4 pin, and a yellow wire is connected to the FCL pin, F5 pin. That's it, just 4 wires and you are done. Now let's move to the Arduino IDE. In the Arduino IDE, go to the library manager. In the library manager, search the SHT4X, and when you are search the SHT4X, there are many types of library available, but you can choose a Sensirion I2C SHT4X by Sensirion because we are using a Sensirion manufactured board. So we are using a Sensirion I2C SHT4X library because they are providing a very understandable functions and it is a very accurate library. And when you are installed this library, go to the file, examples, and select the library Sensirion I2C SHT4X and open the example usage code. And when you are open the example usage code, now you can see this code on the screen. So in here you can see it includes hash arduino.h, Sensirion I2C SHT4X, wire.h for the I2C communication. And now you can see they are printed the temperature and humidity. And now we are giving a delay 2000 means 2 milliseconds. And then you can upload this code on your Arduino board. For uploading this code, go to tools, choose the board that you are using. I am using the Arduino Uno R4 board, so we are choosing Arduino Uno R4 minima, and choose the COM port, that is very important. And now you are able to upload this code on your Arduino Uno board. So click on the upload button, and now you see we are clear this board, and now we are uploaded the code. Go to serial monitor, and now you see the temperature value is 33.48, humidity is 46.48. it is very accurate, very reliable. And now imagine connecting this to Wi-Fi, storing data on SD cards, or using it to trigger a fan or a dehumidifier. That's where the real fun begins. This tiny setup has so many real world uses: greenhouses and farms, smart homes, industrial HVAC monitoring, server rooms, warehouse storing sensitive goods. Anywhere environment matters, this little guy can help. If you want to try this out, I have dropped the link to this 7 SHT40 sensor in the description. Let me know in the comment what projects would you build with this sensor. If this project helped you, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next one. We will be adding an OLED screen, maybe cloud logging. Let's see where this goes. Thank you for watching. This is My Tech Learner and I will catch you in the next one.